Hello and welcome to my channel. What do you say today we do some lathe work on my mini lathe? What we'll be doing is making a special flanged bushing or spacer out of aluminum. 1¼ inches in diameter and about 2 inches long. Let's get into that. Let's do this. Okay, like I said, I need to make a bushing. And I also want to put a shoulder on it. So what I'm going to do is just take a quick face, turn to OD for at least a ½ inch or so. Okay, what I'm going to do is turn this around, face it, and I need at least 1 inch of surface turned down to 3/4 inch. Minimum 1 inch. All right. That was about 1.25 inches. It's 1 inch 230. We're going to take the 230 right away. Okay, I'm going to be taking about 50 thousandths of an inch per pass until we get down to about 1 inch. And then we'll be probably doing another 50 thousandths till we get down to 3/4 of an inch. It should be close to 1 inch. 1 inch 3 thousandths. Okay. We need another 250 thousandths. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That actually should be 2 size. It's 1/2,000 under 750. That's 749.5. Now I'm going to turn it around and drill and bore a hole. Drill and ream a hole. Let's do this. Okay, I have a spotting drill in there, and I'm going to spot drill. I'm going to drill through 31/64. That's what I believe I got in there. 31/64. It's a 64th under a 1/2 inch, and then I'm going to ream to a 1/2 inch. I'm going to ream to 501. Thirty-one 64ths. Okay, I have an over-under set of reamers, and this is a 501 reamer. How I like to ream is I like to put the reamer right up against the part that I'm reaming, up against the hole, and then just start. Feels like it's through. Okay, I'm over at the mill where I need to clean up the vise, put a stop in there, and center up on a V block where I could put my flanged bushing or spacer in and put a quick drill and tapped hole in the flanged end of it, Let's do that. This is the whole reason I'm using a V-block. I have the V-block up against the stop so I can put different diameters in there. This diameter is 3/4 of an inch. It's centered in the V-block. That's why I did that. Now I just need to drill and tap. Okay, let's do this. Spot drill. Drill. Tap. All right. Okay, this worked out really good. I think we got a finished part. Okay, I think I accomplished what I set out to do, is I made that special flanged bushing spacer, and I think this video is coming to an end, so I'm going to have to say, until next time, enjoy.